Welcome to Provance ITSM, the most Microsoft-centric IT service and asset management product on the market, letting you digitally transform both IT and your business by leveraging the Microsoft Intelligent Cloud. Powered by Microsoft Dynamics 365, Provance ITSM leverages the rich capability of Dynamics 365, Office 365, and Azure to provide modern, flexible, agile, and cost-effective IT services. Microsoft Dynamics 365 is a highly flexible and extensible cloud platform that is purpose-built business applications that enable you to address specific needs across the business, such as sales, customer service, field service, project service, and many more. As Provance is built natively on the Dynamics platform, we are a peer-level application providing enterprise-class IT service management. For those who are not familiar with IT service management, it's a discipline focused on optimizing the delivery and support of IT services to business stakeholders and customers. IT asset management is the set of business practices that join financial, contractual, and inventory functions to support lifecycle management and strategic decision-making around the IT assets. How do we optimize delivery? Provance ITSM has been verified for 11 ITIL processes. ITIL is a globally recognized collection of best practices for IT service management. This video will outline our core ITSM capabilities, including how customers and end users gain access to services and service desk assistance, and how technicians are guided step by step to ensure efficient and consistent fulfillment, and how dashboards and Power BI provide the visibility needed to keep IT services on track and exceeding expectations. When customers experience an issue or need other services, they can find everything in the Provance ITSM self-service portal, from most popular articles, service announcements, to a service catalog containing any and all services provided to your customers. Customers can log a ticket from the home page to have a service desk representative assist them with their request. A ticket form will be presented to have the customer fill in the information about their issue or question, and while filling in the information, they'll be presented with knowledge articles to attempt to resolve the ticket prior to submission. They can also request an available service offering from the service catalog. Customers can only see the services they are subscribed to. For example, if a human resource representative needs to have a new hire created, they will see a service such as account management and select the available offering and be presented with a questionnaire to ensure all the information is captured in the request. Customers can request in many different ways, through the portal, by sending an email, or by calling the service desk. We are logged into Provance ITSM in Microsoft Dynamics 365 as a user agent Cooper. Using the out-of-the-box dashboard, the agent has instant insights of the work that is assigned based on their login profile. The reports that have been configured enable Agent Cooper to focus on certain areas such as Priority 1 incidents. The Other Queues and Views section provide the agent a single pane of glass of what they need to work on. For example, the number of active problems, or how many tickets that are sitting in the team queue. In this case, we've set up a routing rule that based on the ticket being submitted from the portal, that needs to be evaluated by the service desk. We can quickly access the ticket through the My Teams Unassigned tile and assign that to ourselves. When reviewing the ticket, we clearly see the customer is having an issue sending email. The agent can fill in as much detail in the form as possible. This will ensure the categorization and information is recorded for the customer interaction. Provance ITSM has built-in business processes that contain stages and steps to ensure critical information is captured and provides a clear path to resolution. Once the ticket type has been defined, the business process will react to guide the agent through each ITSM process and ensure a consistent experience for your customers with your service desk. The ticket management process assists the agent to classify the ticket to the correct ITSM process, ensuring proper categorization and efficient ticket handling. After converting the ticket, a priority will be assigned based on the urgency and impact. The priority matrix is a product setting that can be configured to meet your needs for each ITSM process. After the priority has been assigned, an SLA will be calculated with a response target and resolution target. The clock indicator gives a visual representation to the agent of when the response and resolution needs to be provided by. During the investigation stage, the agent can begin to find a resolution for the customer. We can first record how to reproduce the issue to ensure we understand how the error occurred for the customer. Then review historical tickets by selecting the Customer Details tab to identify if the issue had occurred previously. By selecting the Activities and Research tab, we can review knowledge articles. Notice how the knowledge articles are suggested based on the incident details. These knowledge articles can be sent to the customer and linked to the incident. If a knowledge article is not found, an agent can create a knowledge article directly from the incident by selecting the Create Knowledge Article action in the ribbon. Since we don't have a resolution, we can send an email to the customer directly from the incident in the timeline view. This is where we can track the conversation and other activities that took place in the incident. Once sent, we can escalate the incident to another user or team that can help us resolve the issue. I am now signed in as an agent that has the Provance ITSM Service Manager security role. We can review other active incidents by selecting the Incidents section of the Service Desk app. Here, we have the Active Incidents view where we can see the incident we just worked on at the top. There seems to be other email issues that have been reported and could be related. Much like Excel, we can apply a filter to any column to see if there are more email sending issues. This will help us identify if the incidents have the same issue and if we need to create a problem. Now that we have applied the filter, we can bulk assign the incidents to Agent Cooper or any technician or group, which would then show in the My Assigned Incidents view. We can easily select the incidents assigned to us and relate them to a problem record using the bulk edit option. This will allow us to work from a central problem record, and any updates on the problem, for example if a workaround has been established, can be viewed on the incident record. Once the problem has been resolved, all related incidents will be resolved as well. Based on our analysis, we've discovered that the message service is using a virtual machine that needs to be restarted. We can create the change directly from the problem record, thus ensuring the change record is pre-populated with the information from the problem record and accelerating the data entry process. The change management process ensures quality control checks are performed and activities are carried out as planned. Our change record has tabs to help you assess, schedule, and implement changes to maximize the success rate while mitigating the risk and impact of the disruption to your organization. The change has been analyzed and we can schedule the VM restart using the Scheduling tab. The change calendar allows the change owner to see any past or upcoming changes in the system. Once we define the start and end date, we can say our change schedule has been scheduled. Once the change has been implemented, we can close out the problem, thus resolving the related incidents. Simple or pre-approved changes such as software assignment, password reset, or even how-to questions can be tracked as service requests in Provance ITSM. A service request is a customer request for information or access to an IT service. Based on the self-service submission earlier, we can see all the customer responses provided in the request from the Question Responses tab. In Provance ITSM, we can help transform you from traditional ITSM to modern service management by using automation to perform manual tasks such as creating a user account, thus accelerating the request process. Here we can see the responses were sent to an Azure automation to generate the user account and complete the customer request. The entire ITSM process is managed within Provance ITSM and can provide insights into your current service operations. Using the Service Desk Management dashboard, we can ensure tickets are distributed evenly to ensure workload management and identify if there are any tickets that need actioning. You can leverage Microsoft Power BI to support advanced reporting needs and ensure key business service trends and other drivers are accessible and actionable by the organization. There's a lot more to Provance ITSM than what I can show you in this short video. Visit Provance.com for more information, including webinars, white papers, and blog posts. You can also take a free test drive in Microsoft App Stores or contact us at info@provance.com now to get your answers to your questions.